If dictation is not working in your iPhone, then here is the fix. So the very first fix is just go to settings, okay, and when you go to settings, you will go to this setting home page. Now scroll down and find general, tap on it. Now tap on keyboard, tap on it, and now just enable dictation. Okay, so here it is. If it is disabled, just enable it. Okay, make sure it is turned on. Okay, this is the first fix. Second fix is make sure your iPhone is not connected via Bluetooth to any other headphone. So this also happens sometimes that your iPhone may be by mistake connected to an earbuds or earphone or a headphone, and your microphone is not taking your input. So in that case, you may turn off your Bluetooth and then try to see whether your issue is resolved or not. If this is also not working, then what you can do, you can just go to any app which uses the microphone, okay, like WhatsApp, and then just go to this option and tap on this. Okay, if your dictation is not enabled, then it will ask you to enable dictation. Okay, and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. If this is also not working for a particular app, what you can do, you can just uninstall the app and then install it freshly. In that case, it will again, and when you will try to use the microphone, it will again ask you for the permissions, and in that case it will ask you to use the dictation for our use of microphone, and then you can use it generally without any problem. Now if this all these things fails, then what you can do, you can reset all settings. So for that, just go to settings, okay, and scroll down and find general, tap on general, scroll down and find transfer reset iPhone, tap on it, tap on reset, and finally tap on reset all settings, and then see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Thanks for watching. Please do like,